have been interdicted. Adia pesi etia no. So they say adia pesi etia because adia ye hu wa ha no. Adia evidence view, adia explanation. Adia ye pe say ye say those officers are omadweno. I don't know their omadwenim. They have been interdicted. Afeso so ye de omo famra kwan no so. Wo bu nipa be se hwe. Wo bu nipa no. Emma inmate will lead you omo to go and your friend saying ensure say almost sentence I twa omo no am convict you omo no. Omo follow through. What's be almost like what be dogs. So they say see enwi nipa. E no mo say omo di nipa bro. So they say me ye hear explanation bia. Ade here ne say those officers, those barbaric officers, ya interdictium. Ye interdictiums ye nwie. Ye di omo famra kwan so na asotwe bia o se ade mo bia de mo hwe ade we on me say they are prison officers are omo di omo hu ni papa and sha no omo act no ama prison officer bia o join ne ho on pene ho asem o ye na dwuma yie on na no bia kwa attack.
I've just told you sir. So I have my brother who is a senior officer.
Yes.
Just at this school.
Yes. Kumasi yes. Kofi me brother ho me na mfo kra be tu ho. Omo di omo hu ni pa.
My colleague Ugusu send a message.
Omo di omo hu ni pa.
My colleague Ugusu send a message.
No, you should stop sending the messages because those messages now shabufu.
Now
you should just stop
the next batch of messages. Yeah, I'll read all your messages.
Sorry, I say this should stop
the next batch of messages is that I'm equally disappointed in your colleague. The tenant of your work demands that you ascertain the real facts.
Ascertain what? Kofi, ended there. Kofi, ended there. We are seeing evidence. No, Kofi.
You are just listening to one side.
What are you talking about? Kofi, what are you talking? What is he talking about? Kofi, what is he talking about? Then I also have the right to tell him, say, Oni Akoma, Kofi, send him the video. Me say, Kofi, send that your colleague the video. Send him the video. No one time only di ya. On video na so what me di ya. Send him the video. No mu send ho say ni nua ni wofa. Ni wofa asibi ni ye ni say ya. Would he be happy? What is he talking about? Kofi, send him the video.
Yeah.
Send him the video.
I think say
send him the video. Me say they are prison officers are omu di omu huni, omu yi omadwuma ye. But people like this, bad not like this, you know. Ebema other prison officers are omu yi omadwuma ye, omu di omu huni no. One na kofobia kwa attack yomo. And that's what we are talking about here. And what are you what exactly is he saying? Send him the video. No way. So if this such characters like this, okay, are meant for a noble profession like the prison service. Omu di omu huni pa. Prison service omu di omu huni pa. So they say name men some be say mono. So they say eno mu go your friend service no ehun fi. E wo ba bia. E wo military mu. E wo police mu. E wo immigration mu. Even your adwuma kura a journalist kura ewom. So they say ewom. So they say I don't need any explanation. I don't need any ascertaining any the veracity of whatever to conclude say at we barbaric. Ada enti sabi kovi meniefra. Meniefra. We are seeing hu ade video ye buni party say a friend say when just ye lenche no. You are there talking what? Ye lenche di pass e explanation. Me say yan fan say odinatem o use vulgar language. One ka say wadwuma no emre wo hon etisen. Kofi so onam na say obi edi watem a Kofi eno ema on kwan say obabu nipa no obelenchi nipa no ye be chew. So they say so there's no justification. Tell we use vulgar language. Tell we use ediatem because we see as a law enforcer no and as a prison officer no ye do afantitiem entity a me civilian ye mfa me mfamu ye do afam emotional control. So they say at time I also use force as a matter of fact ye hu say akwa tu ye hu so kuta any a friend saying weapon bia. So they say you attack the person, you link the person, and you are there talking about what? At the end yes I hear you. 87.9. So they say send him the video. No some review. Send him the video. No some review.
Is it have been busy on the phone?
So they say send him the video.
A lot a lot of
So that's it.
a lot of chat, but mami educate.
Come on.
Whoever thinks that the security were right. Yeah.
Come on.
Two offense can never make wrong.
Can never make right.
And I believe, you've studied law at the faculty level. You understand the system. So even if somebody insults you,
absolutely.
No, what are you share in Ria?
Kofi say police officer ne kura ekono. And na kwa ne bebo na so. Wa bodam. Is that how you act?
I mean, in Ria ne konti ba.
I don't know arrest.
You are unleashing on this
and
innocent,
even inciting image. Inciting image to attack. Inciting inmate to attack.
And now
and you are talking about what
in prison, in terms of say a prisoner. Say why you bonnet nebia you are bound as part of ABA conviction to be of good behavior.
Yes.
It is our action we can even incriminate them again.
Absolutely.
Yeah, very
serious,
very dangerous.
So they say.
And you see, Evans, me worry. The act of indiscipline in some of our security guys. Or
he's on top of the world.
So they say,
he's on top of the world.
Is so dangerous. Sir, what the young fan is a brand no idea now where no he
Mr. Fan or attacking prison officer. Young fan is a
Ebiana winyan share video no, but which video ni we are you have a change of mind in your position.
Come on,
it is so barbaric.
Barbaric is the word. Barbaric is the word. Barbaric is the word.
Because one inmate baku who say the new ana baku ye no or he took a table board. Now, I the video of 5 what? Come on.
Inmate, these are criminals. You do go police. Your friends, the prisons. You convict you in the dog prisons. My catcher say, "Hey, Uber we say a be file mono. Obi or why? I saw say an ednico prison. I are convicting of the prison. Obi or why? A number of criminal cases. You see, a rehabilitate you correct you so they say as part of correction no ya more conviction or sentence with hard labor omwako so omwako na no mo bow safina na omoko ni nyina ye the process of the rehabilitation and I say yes so that as part of process I dey rehabilitate and I say yeah this is send nipa na adwen ye are integrating nipa no and I say asama na ba abefra ye wa bontin ni mu oba no oba as a new person. So they say, send you bet me accept no. Na prison one of the training ni. The bad nut ne woman no training ni. So they say, I just want to be measured because Maka said there are certain prison officers are only very clean, very professional. So they say, it's bad not to be saying I can omo. And only there hame. Because I know a lot of prison officers are only very professionals, very very professionals. They execute their duties professionally. So, it's bad not be saying, I can't be calm. So, I say, hey, a draft form for Bonnie just how. A draft for no for Bonnie just how.
Obi craft frame is say video, it be an 2. Or Bako over the born here. Bako far, it was light pole, Nasiho.
But the guy crown is strong, kakra. Because we could be a movie, said John, and imagine saying, said John, Yenny say, so
and we are train normal fire.
I feel I know I am ready.
And we are train normal fire.
I feel like I am ready.
I heard
Kofi.
Okay.
What is your friend talking about? Send him the video.
Here, where you di or left here far back. And I the all light pole na so no. I feel say do baby no na aje prisoners in inside. Na officer in inside.
Na John inside.
What is omo akra were preventing the image from omudinua. When you lead people for an attack, the end result you lose it. I say do baby now. Prison officers now they were preventing the image from.
And I can tell you, these guys, you see, these guys, they almost deserve some special uniform. No, when him say aketuokuta no akotoi.
Likely.
Etuokuta only of the prison officers are come to
likely. likely.
So they say, come to omo IQ no e wo low, and we don't need such people in the service. I mean, yeah. Me say, Kofi, they are prison officers, they execute their job professionally. Now for baby. So they say, and said bad not no. They should act swiftly. Where action? I was say swift. It was a swift. 87.9. It was a swift. So they say, and I have so much. You see, my catcher say, me a lot of confidence in the Director General of Prison Service, Ashanti Region, Commander. Me work so. I mean, me work confidence when we say, oh, nimna juma, obey ye juma no, kama pa. Me say ne samre ne ra ho pa. Ne ra ho pa. Sa de enra. Me te so em so omuko ho. Oh really? And that was very smart on their part. Omuko ho say omone yeah. Enra me te so omuko ho ekuhia ye community no. So they say any omo kasai. GDA say
then that is a very
GDA say omo assurance say omema mra na aye adwuma. Yeta omachi commander yeta wachi enim say ne uti krom ha ye adwuma kama no. Obema mra na aye adwuma na free san krofo we say mo mbeso mgu anim ase no. Uyi omo free service ni me pacho. So uyi omo a ema na nsi ho a. Ye make sure say baby a inmate ne da no. Ye fo mo koto obi. So they say na omo angasa officers na omo ye clean no enchire omo se ne yesifa ye adwuma no. So what you say? Yen chire omo. Say we a warder. And I say bia we a prison officer. Na say we lead inmates. Inmates aka krem no me free your friends say yard mu ho. We lead you omo outside omo kwa ye adwuma. E kwan offer so a we lead you omo no. Yen chire omo. So you say and me gidi say Ghana mra no so de eche wa na achew. Ye de omo famra kwan so pepepepe. Na be bia so ye de omo to ye de omo to kama. Ya pedan kama pa na ye de omo dum.
And so that is the prison officer would tend to be a prisoner.
Oh yeah, Kofi. Oh yes. Kofi. That should be the case. That could be criminal offense.
That should be
the criminal offense. Where do you say,
Sir John?
Where criminal offense?
I asked to call Bukari.
Yes, Kofi,
which is the PRO.
Yes, I've been at the production. Yes, Ejuma. If I'm in Kasai.
Okay.
And I say, me man 2 minutes.
Okay.
Now, Kofi, a friend with three lines.
No, so he agreed to.
He agreed so near Bekasa.
Okay.
But the line no you say be busy. Your friend on fa.
Kofi,
I am sure.
Kofi, so what done for no SNBC. My management 2 way man. Where they open the diaba. What say? Kofi T, boss. The guy trying to justify such inhumane act is simply demonstrating crowd stupidity.
Kofi, you tried that. Kofi, you try see the MC so be didn't come. In fact, I've been engaging him.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, on also in the meeting.
Are they aware? MC no ya aware.
Yes, MC catch him say oh you aware.
Okay.
But now or try to refer me to the crime officer. But go him say the police is say omo kasa. Nti what or catch him and say the police handle matter no. But ontimi me nkasa because of a meeting na omo yes here you know. Ontimi me nkasa. If I go so I din komo or ye chat on WhatsApp or mami update e wo ho. But go the issue is that ade we obia ni we asim ha obetimi abejasify asade we ama yen yate ho ase se enipa oda fama yedi nnua gu no so Kofi there is no one e we asim ha a obabejasify asade we I am sure say bia Bukari heat na ekono ano de bi on person ontimi pick kono Kofi I am sure I am tempted to believe say heat na e ba no pai no ano de ntina bia Bukari empeso obekasa that is me sana me gidi Kofi who a prison officer how the inmates enam one thing is that obiani wa prison wa Kofi about describing it say at that moment na dream cry fine now you lead them into this act Kofi watch this video share video no you lead them the issue is that a prison officer no and the lead you into the act. There is no justification. Just say, a prison inmate no never lead this. Kofi, a prison officers no and never lead this act. You want to justify this? You want to justify this? Kofi, there is no way. Video ayeshe say enempo yenya any of them eno many command. There is no way obi better bontin I justify this. Me majiatum.
Me sports head. I will fear Pepe. Also we show nche. The Wolf page in this one.
Oh yes,
I'm angry in my one corner. I'll visit this video on the sports show. Kofi, your friend will hear my talks.
No, Kofi, you see.
Kofi Wadan for anyone.
You see, Kofi that end. Our messages neighbor. Kofi Biana, omunya video ni being shared. Kofi send it to platform no so. Fatu so momo, no mun share video no. Na omo samre bio. That inmates. Who prison officer now? Who
Okay.
Who lead you into this act?
My friend prison officer is back again with a message. Kofi, we are not psychopaths. We are not psychopaths. So as to go about attacking people anyhow. We have been taking prisoners out all the time. How many times have you seen prison officers and inmates?
That is why, Kofi. That is why we know.
In fact,
that is why we come.
Kofi, I think your guy has to be investigated.
In fact,
no, Kofi.
Civilians are our allies.
Kofi, no, we are there for no or demonstrating the highest level of hypocrisy. So I say, your guy. I think your guy has to be investigated. Your guy. No. Kofi message also die. A very non-seating. Listen, the message
don't you think the officers and inmates were responding to stimuli? Don't you think the officers your guy is just being too emotional? No, not competent.
No man bibi.
Also officer.
No man bibi.
Also officer. Oh, prison officer. They was telling me so prison officer. Kofi, you see what we are talking about. Kofi, we did.